Good evening and welcome to the news. First, the headlines. Health Minister A.L. Hek takes stock of COVID-19 preparedness in the districts. 3 suspected of COVID-19, 1 tests negative. Food and Civil Supplies Minister James Sangma conducts review meeting in TURA on the prevailing COVID-19 crisis. And Meghalaya Police launches portal to counter fake news. The news in detail. Health Minister A.L. Hek visited Nongstoin and Joai to assess the preparedness regarding COVID-19 in the districts. Meghalaya is yet to report a positive COVID-19 case, but with the rise of cases in the neighbouring state, Meghalaya needs to prepare and be ready. Health Minister A.L. Hek took stock of the situation in both the districts and is satisfied with the preparedness. He further added that the government with all its might will take steps to prepare and fight coronavirus. Government also seeks cooperation from its citizens during the time of crisis.
Tengiwan ban sim ya ka review sim ya no gua jinon kam ko jongki kat kum jekan menit dan development meeting laikan don ki dang duna don ki balabyang ndai ki dang duna ru dang don halenti ki jeke ki jinon kam jongki ya ngila ban pempoi por biang yang ni po nang stoi lu ang ni ki don kam ba khat wingot ki balong parentai ki biang ka bam gadi nagaliang di station di DC don de la pedo jinon kam baro ka jaga thia jaga kabam pat kijinon kambaro kajongki chu apiru na mata jongki nong shnong baro ba makiru kumki darbar snong kumki ke kam snong begini ban corporate lang bat ka district administration di ban corporate lang ba health department na man light na kanu kajing e be kunduyo ya kendo igi ba ni than ke ni district.
District Surveillance Officer Integrated Disease Surveillance Programs in Jaintia Hills today gave a clarification regarding the 3 suspected cases in the district. She explained how one person had breathing problems but has already tested negative for COVID-19. They have taken X-rays of the patient and are examining the same. Out of the other 2, one has been in home quarantine since 23rd March. The person had developed symptoms of cough and fever initially. However, the patient has been shifted to an isolation ward only because of the development of diarrhea. The sample has been sent for testing. Regarding the 3rd case, the officials are yet to ascertain the travel history. Their details are not available on the registration portal.
Iway ibahab apa jong ke kategori kebangi ong mangi kibajang ke jing sitom ban ring mensim ban banjurha ban bai la dep ban penlek dekat x-ray ban tek ba yo dia badan dekoi pak dia jipa ke ya ini la dep ban test la dep ban yo ida report ru bat di dalam dan kita jipa mentang ngadang pensisa ya way 4 dan apa jong ke registration portal ini ngidangwat tip mentah ban tek sa ai ulek na one but HA register hapor berurung support jangka district jang.
Meghalaya Food and Civil Supplies Minister James Sangma held a review meeting on the prevailing situation in West Jaintia Hills district due to COVID-19. Soon after the meeting, Sangma said that the district is prepared in the best possible way right now. Informing that the quarantine units and the isolation wards are ready and prepared, Sangma said that Corona Care Centre is also coming up fast. Talking about the essential supplies, he agreed that there were some difficulties in the past and many problems have also been resolved, and food grains have reached the poorest of the poor under the NFSA.
I took a review of the preparedness and the present situation that is taking place in West Jaintia Hills district. The district is prepared in the best possible way right now in terms of the quarantine units, the isolation centers which are there, all of them have been made ready. The Corona Care Center is also coming up very fast, and apart from that, in terms of the essential food items and the availability of that to all our citizens of West Jaintia Hills district.
Distinguishing truth from falsity in social media is a task during the COVID-19 crisis. In virtual media, it is difficult to distinguish if a post is fake or true, or the posts are not fact-based. The Meghalaya police have registered 4 FIRs against rumour mongers and have also come up with its COVID-19 portal for people to register complaints and also authenticate news. Informing this, Additional Inspector General of Police G.K. Yangrai said that considering the menace of fake news, the state police have come up with a COVID-19 portal for fake news where people can log in and register their complaint and find out whether it's fake or not. Stating that the DGP have been reviewing the situation on a daily basis, Yangrai said that so far 4 FIRs have been filed against individuals for circulating fake news and investigation is on. He however said that no one has been arrested so far.
The police headquarters, under the able leadership of our Director General Police, we have a portal, COVID-19 portal fake news, where any fake news that been circulating around, people can log in and register the complaints to see whether it's fake or not fake. So that is what we are doing. And apart from that, police headquarters, the DGP himself is reviewing on a daily basis the entire preparedness of the force to look into menace. And we are, as you all know, we are the first responder, and our reach is beyond the other department.
Since the lockdown, 173 daily wage earners, mostly from Assam and Bihar, are stuck in West Jaintia Hills district. The district administration has set up 3 relief camps for those who are in need. Relief camps are set up at St. Dominic's High Secondary School, Mokendeng, West Jaintia Hills, Government Boys High Secondary School, Jowai, and Dayat Mukhla, West Jaintia Hills. As per the directives of the government of India, all district heads are to close down the return of labourers back home, but instead to arrange a relief camp with proper food to those who are in relief camps. Deputy Commissioner of West Jaintia Hills, Dykes L.N.S. Garrett, said that district administration is monitoring the matter on a daily basis, and he also added that rice under the fair price shop from the month of March was also released in the entire district.
Link district commission that set up the relief camp we have St. Dominic Mokendeng for the swing block. We can need for DIT Thala State. Dan jumut le ubah ikan kap komen high secondary school boys ni hajuai. Sakli memang kasni kinemba mieu wali sakli tang muda palat ke kamtis pa nyap lenyut kumo.
Renton Lingdor, MLA from Muggerwat constituency, came forward to help the people under the constituency. He provided them with basic essential items like rice to the needy, and the aid was much needed by the people of the constituency during this time of crisis. The Unitarian Church, Nongthamai Shillong, a constituent of the Unitarian Union of Northeast India, lent a helping hand to the needy families of Nongthamai area this morning. The Unitarian Church, Jowai, has also distributed essential supplies to the needy residents of several localities of Jowai town. Conrad K. Sangma, Chief Minister of Meghalaya, received a cheque of Rs 1.1 lakh from Reverend Derek P. Pariat, President, Unitarian Union, Northeast India, towards the Chief Minister's Relief Fund on COVID-19 in the presence of Reverend N. Suting, K.L. Nongri, Board Member, Unitarian Union, Northeast India. And a quick look at the weather now. The maximum temperature recorded was 20 degrees Celsius. The maximum was 27 degrees Celsius and the minimum 20 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 37%, while that in the evening rose to 50%. No rainfall was recorded. The forecast: Shillong and its adjoining areas will have a generally cloudy sky. Well, viewers, that's all we have in this edition of the Bulletin. Join us again tomorrow evening for more news and updates. Stay home, stay safe.